Hi everyone, I hope you had a great day. I wanted to come on and do another review for you tonight. And right now I am wearing Heidi, and I did trim a little fringe bang in her, and I did add a light brown root spray to her. But I really do like her. She's a really pretty style. I feel kind of glamorous. But tonight we're here for Nola S28 honey with a number 6 root. So here's Nola. She looks pretty, huh? I do really like their Versa fibers. Wow, she's long, you guys. Holy smokes, she looks really long. But you know, when I put them on, they're not as long as they look. I like on her rooting. It's not like overdone. It looks really nice. That color is really pretty. She has your open wefted cap, your basic front, open ear tabs, and she does have a little bit of an extended nape there. I need to tell you that I always give them like a wild shake before I put them on. When I come back, I'm gonna have Nola on. Oh my gosh. Hello, Charlie. I feel like a Charlie's Angel. All right, we'll just brush her a little bit. Those fibers are really soft. Let's do our 360 and see how long this girl is. Oh my goodness sakes. I'm gonna have to move back so you guys can see. So totally if I wore her, so she does have a few layers. I think that people would think that I had extensions in. Oh, she's pretty. Can you see that length? Basically down to my bra at least. And the side. Yeah, she's really pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to start. I don't think I've had one so long before. So here's the deal, like I don't think they have much permatease, right? But like with Heidi, I didn't think she did either, but honestly, it's in there. It's underneath. And it gives it that lift so that your long style isn't just plastered to your head, so that you have some form of a style to it. I don't know what to do. You guys, I'm at a loss because usually I'm dealing with layers. Like when I did the shag wigs, those were so fun. That was a really fun video to do because those were fun styles. So let's mess her up a little. I'll give her a light spritz with water and then mess her up in there, trying to activate that permatease. Always when you see me with my fingers in there, I am trying to activate that permatease. I'm switching the part as I am a left parter and trying to work with that style, activate the permatease, get the style the way that I want it. A little trouble with the bangs because they are a little bit longer. So I'm just doing a little back combing and a little spraying with that Pantene alcohol-free hairspray. That permatease definitely helps her to hold her style. Such a cute style. What do you guys think? So this is kind of like Hollywood glam hair. Just a nice little sweep over. I used just a little bit of my Pantene hairspray to do that. I didn't dry shampoo her. I did spritz with a little bit of water just so I could kind of get in there and activate the permatease. And so she has permatease from the back here on the crown all the way to the front. So it's in there. It doesn't feel like quite as full as like an Emmeline, but it's definitely there. which I think you kind of, like I said, need to do to hold this. Otherwise, it's just going to go flat. So I like it. I like the style. I'm liking this layer. I think that's awfully pretty. The BETH'S fibers are heat friendly, but I'm going to tell you guys this. I had Ashley and I curled her and I regretted it because you can't ever get that style back. So my suggestion is if you want a curly one, then just order a sister style that's a curly one. I don't think you should mess with the fibers, and I don't think they last as long. I mean, a little bit, if let's say if something was really flippy or boxy and you wanted to use your hot air brush with the wig wet, like damp, I think then like a steam, that would be fine. But I don't know, do you guys think she's pretty? I really think she's pretty. So for the honey on the colors, I mean, even though this one, Heidi is not heat friendly. I don't believe so. So she was a bit shinier, so we had to do a little bit of the dry shampoo on her, but I really don't think you need to for this one. But you definitely could do a number of styles on her. So maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'll grab my accessories here. Hold on a sec. All right, I got my beach hat. I got it at the Dollar Tree. What do you guys think? Although I never wear Nola to the beach, but it's kind of a cute hat. So, yep, a hat works for her. And also, let's do a headband. So let's see, how do we want to do this with the headband? Because she's a basic front and not a lace, you can't really put the whole thing back. But you could probably leave a little bit of the bang out. You know, you could really do the poof if you wanted to play with her. You could really do like the 60s mod, I think. If you lifted all this up and you got in there, and even those little donuts that I have, you can like take the donuts and put underneath there. And then you could be like the 60s. Totally mod. Yeah. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I like to do my half up. I just take just a little bit, just to make it look natural. And put that up. Grab a clip. And then you can just kind of catch your weft if you can, so that you know that it's not going to go anywhere. Oh, that's really cute in the half up. Like I said before, I'm a half up girl. Whatever that means, I just like the half up. I do think it makes it look natural too. We could also do complete updos and ponytails. I don't really have a good pony clip. Let me see what kind of clip. I don't know what happened to all my big clips. But even just taking your clip and sort of just putting it down, I think I could totally do this for a work day and get away with it. You know, and that kind of shortens up the length a little bit so it doesn't look like it's just crazy long. And I think that looks totally natural. I don't think anybody's guessing. Nobody's guessing. So she is a super pretty style. And then just pull out a few like I said, baby hairs, kind of just real fine. I don't have my little rat tail comb. That works good for just getting a couple out. So you definitely, we'll do another one over here. Yeah, she's really pretty. I really like this. I would compare her to Misha. I maybe liked Misha a little bit better, only because Misha had more of the layers and more of the bangs. So she was kind of like Ashley, only a longer version. And I liked that. Where this is very similar to Heidi in my opinion, but it's not a lace front. The color SF1228, number 6 root, and she is beautiful. I will be sure that I put in the comments, or not in the comments, but in the description box, how much I paid for her, because I don't remember what I paid for her. But she is a beautiful long layered style. I love the VersaFibers. They just feel really nice. They feel really natural. You don't get that doll hair shine from the VersaFiber. And I love the availability of having the rooted color, because then that hides the permatease. So we have my cousin's son's graduation party on Sunday. So I'm thinking that Nola might be the winner, and I might be wearing Nola to the grad party. So thanks again so much for watching, you guys. You're fabulous. You're wonderful. I can't believe I went over 500 subscribers. I didn't even think I would get 5 subscribers. For you guys to be 500, to push me over 500, it amazes me. And I thank you guys all so much. You're wonderful. Your comments are beautiful. And I want to do this for you so that you feel confident and beautiful in the hair that you choose and the hair that you're wearing. So you can always email me. The email is on my About section on my page. So thanks again, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be back with those 2 styles from Synergy. I have the long and layered and the wavy or curly beachy wave one. All right, have a great evening. Bye-bye. So I did Nola's review last night, but I wanted to give you a look at her out in the natural sunlight here, so you can see that color with the highlights when the sun hits it. And I did not add any dry shampoo, and I did not do any root spray, because remember, she is rooted, SF1228, number 6. So Nola, you guys, she's just beautiful. I love her. Look at how gorgeous that color is. And I am just gonna spin around here so you can see the back. Hopefully that's in the frame. I don't have my microphone on, so hopefully you can hear me. But I just wanted to give you a quick look. Thanks again, everyone. Have a great day. I will see you very soon.